Hello everybody, my name is Shaina and today we are back with another video explaining about a community in Dubai called JVC. JVC is called Jumeirah Village Circle and it is a very affordable community, a very family oriented community in Dubai where it is developed by the master developer called Nakheel. JVC actually tops the areas in Dubai क्योंकि यहाँ पे affordability बहुत अच्छी है. So a lot of expat families when moving to Dubai they find JVC as a very convenient option because of the location as well. It's very centric, very close to JLT, Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, downtown, and also the new upcoming international airport of Dubai. Also, हमारे DLT में Dubai Land Department में the data shows that there are a lot of transactions which are transacted in Dubai, which is in this area. So it's a very highly transacted area of Dubai and very well performing area. Now let's understand the location and the connectivity of this area on Dubai map. So this is a full Dubai map, and if you zoom in, you can see Jumeirah Village Circle right here, literally in the center. It's in the shape of circle, that's why it's called Jumeirah Village Circle. It's an 850 hectare of circle which has 18 districts in total and has a mix of townhouses, villas, apartments. It's basically a self-sustained community जिसमें आपके पास hospitals हैं, clinics हैं, pharmacies हैं, supermarkets हैं. You have 30 plus schools and pre-nurseries available around the vicinity of this area. So which makes JVC a very great community to live in. You have more than 30 public parks in this location and has a lot of green space, very open space in this locality. You have a mix of apartments, townhouses and villas depending. So even if you are a bachelor or if you have a small family, if you're a couple or if you have a big family, JVC accommodates everybody. Now let's understand JVC connectivity wise. As you can see, JVC is very well connected with the three major highways of Dubai, which is Sheikh Zayed Road, Al Khair Road, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, which makes it an amazing location because literally 20 to 25 minutes away, you're from downtown, Burj Khalifa, and you take the Hessa Street from Al Khair Road and you're down there to Marina and Palm Jumeirah, and then on your left, if you take this road, you go to Abu Dhabi and you have also your new international airport, Al Maktoum International Airport, just very vicinity to your area as a location. Now let's talk about transportation in this area. In JVC, RTA has recently announced as a part of 2030 Metro Plan that they will be launching the Purple Metro line in this locality, which will make it a very easy connectivity for all the residents. Apart from this, RTA buses are already operational in this area, and not to forget you have Uber and Careem just a minute away on your applications. If we talk about nearby attractions for you as a resident, the nearest beach will be a JBR beach or a Kite beach, or if you're a golf lover, the ELS Country Golf Club will be the nearest to you. Also, you have Butterfly Garden and Miracle Garden just 10 minutes away from your home. Plus, you are connected with two major malls, the Marina Mall and the Nakheel Mall. Now, if you talk about education in this area, you have a lot of options for schools and pre-nurseries around this area in this vicinity. For example, primary and secondary schools like JSS International, Region International, Greenfield International and GEMS International schools are just some names to name a few. If we talk about rentals in this area, it's very affordable. For example, studio आपको मिल जाएगा around 55 to 65,000 dirhams per annual. For one bedroom, 65,000 to 95,000 dirhams depending on the amenities and the caliber of the building. Then two bedrooms goes around 90 to 120,000 dirhams and so forth. And if you want to buy and have an entry ticket as an investor, you can actually have the investment started as low as 680,000 dirhams for a studio, for one bedroom on an average 1.2 million dirhams, for two bedroom on an average 1.7 million dirhams, and for three bedroom on an average of 2.1 million dirhams. So in short, this area is not just only for bachelors but also for couples, for big families, because you have literally a variety of options to choose from at a very affordable prices. Also for investors, something very lucrative offers in Jumeirah Village Circle, where you have low ticket sizes and at the same time you get amazing rental yields and high ROI. JVC is one of the highest performing and highest transactional area in Dubai, and also from the past year it has been performing really great. We as a brokerage agency, we are dealing with all the major developers in Dubai working in JVC, regardless it's small, but there is one favorite project which I would like to highlight in this particular video, because I believe the payment plan is amazing and they are giving fully furnished, fully fitted apartments. Handover is literally next year, so you can start earning rental yields. So let's go and check out their show apartments. Now before we check actually the show apartments, let me quickly show you where the plot of this project is. So as we discussed already, this is a map of Dubai and this is Jumeirah Village Circle. If I zoom in, this is the major highway, second major highway, Al Khail Road. Now as you enter, this is the entry for the apartment, and this is your project, literally next to the park. So there are more than 30 plus parks in Jumeirah Village Circle, and this is the longest park of JVC. And right in front you have direct access to the park. This particular one is the location of the plot in the vicinity of the pharmacies, vet clinic, 24/7 supermarket. Amazing plot location. I really highly recommend because of how the connectivity is directly from the Al Khail Road. Now let's go and check out their show apartments. So this is the business model that we're going to show you shortly. Some show apartments here. It's a mix of studio 1 and 2 bedroom. Studios are starting at just 680,000 dirhams. 1 bedrooms are starting at 1.1 million dirhams and 2 bedrooms are starting at 1.65 million dirhams. You also have some 3 bedroom duplex which is starting at the size of 2,500 square feet, starting at just 3 million dirhams, making it a perfect price per square feet of just 1,200 dirhams PSF. If I talk about payment plan, it is amazing. 30-70, 30% during the construction time, 20% handover pay, and 50% post handover in 2 years. If you talk about amenities, you have literally everything: basketball court, tennis court, open and outdoor and indoor gym, swimming pool, your lazy river, your kids park. Literally have got everything. Now let's quickly dive into show apartments. First we will see our first show apartment, which is a studio, fully furnished, fully fitted. Look at how the finishing is. The glass cabinets and the kitchen appliances are from Bosch and Tikka, which are more than 150 years in the market. Also, if we talk about the smart automation, this is HDL, which is used in Dubai International Airport. Look at the washroom, very premium, and single tiles have been used. Great finishing as well, as you can see, fully furnished, even with the patio furniture in your balconies. And also, if you see the wardrobes, it's lit with LED, which is quite nice. Let's go and see the 1 bedroom show apartment. So this is your 1 bedroom apartment. As you enter, you have a semi-closed kitchen and with your dining area and your living area. Also, as you can see, you also have false ceilings in every apartment that you get. It comes exactly like this. This particular 1 bedroom, I really love it. This particular layout is really nice. I'll show you in a while why. Now this comes with walk-in wardrobe and your ensuite washroom. On the other side, you have a beautiful layout which you can use it as your office space or a podcast studio or a maid room. Just have a look. The developer is already giving you exactly like this, and it also has another guest washroom for your guests. Now this was the 1 bedroom layout with the study room. Now let's go and check it out, the 2 bedroom, which is a butterfly layout. Now let's see the last layout of this show apartment, 2 bedroom. Look at the storage option the developer is giving you. This is your living and dining area, very spacious, 1250 square feet, from these show apartments that we have seen, we also have 3-bedroom duplex apartments in case you're interested, with excellent sizes of 2500 square feet. Especially nowadays, even if we see the size of the townhouses, it reaches to that. But apart from this project, if you would like to cater any other project in JVC, we are more than happy to do a one-on-one consultation based on your budget and requirements. We will consult you the best product possible. So this was all about JVC as a location and one of my favorite projects which I showcased in this video. If you would like to know more, please get in touch on the contact number which is mentioned below this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.